Okay, folks, we're going to take a look at this Hang Seng Index on the weekly basis. As you can see, we came up here and made some type of a top from cycle high to cycle high was pretty much spot on. We had the very big break, a 10% break. So what do we do now? We're expecting the market to rally back, which in fact, this is what's happened. You'll notice that we were expecting it to get up into this area. We've actually gone a little higher. We're not going to get an ABCD here. We're most probably going to get it up in this gap area, which is up another 500 points in the Hang Seng. So we need to watch this very closely because it's the 61% retracement of this move. Remember, the low that we had here was exactly at the 78% level. So that's extremely important. The main thing I wanted to talk to you about today, folks, we're getting ready for the seminar in March, and I wanted to show you, we've talked about the opening price quite a bit. This is the opening price for Apple. We do the opening price on just about everything that's actively traded, but you'll notice here that the opening is usually near the high or the low of the day. See here, it's near the low of the day, high of the day, low of the day. Nothing in these three right here. This is a very unusual. High of the day, nothing here. High of the day, low of the day, low of the day, high of the day, nothing here. Low of the day, low of the day, high of the day, low of the day, high of the day, low of the high of the day, high of the day, high of the day, high of the day. Nothing here on these two, and then further down. This is what's important. This is going to be something different that you folks are really going to like, and this is this diagram that we have here. This is a study that we're running on just about everything. We're completing it right now, and what this is doing is it's showing that the 8 o'clock time is very, very important. Now, it's different for every single thing. Like for Apple, it happens to be around 8 o'clock. That's the most logical time to trade, and then again, right on the close. But 8 o'clock is by far the best time to trade. Not only that, but the day of the week is very important. Between Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, there's a spot where the trend is the strongest on one of those days, and that's a very good statistical thing to look at. These are the things that we're going to cover in the seminar. And also remember, this is not going to be just a one-day seminar, folks. I follow up with this for 3 months to make sure you make money off of this because it's not cheap, but it's certainly going to be a lot of fun. We got a lot of good information, and with the automatic trading that we have, and then talking about the cryptocurrencies, it's going to be worth every penny. So I hope you get a chance to join us then. We'll have a great time, and remember, it's going to be 3 months because each day you're going to get something from me, showing you trades and patterns and situations that look very, very profitable. They don't always work, but they work more often than they fail. So live every day in an attitude of gratitude, and may God bless.